There is a 5-year-old little girl in my community who is waiting on a kidney donor, and I have created some art specifically for her family. I think it's going to be auctioned off and all proceeds are going to go to them, and I want to give you guys a sneak peek at it. Not a ton of details yet about when exactly the auction is going to be, where, and I think I'm going to have prints available as well, and I know you're going to be able to, at the very least, order the prints online if you'd like to, and it'll be for like a set donation amount, and then the highest bidder is going to get the original of this painting that I finished this morning. I'm going to create some additional artwork, some more artwork also, but I had to share this one with you guys.